Welcome back everybody to this new video of TechExpress. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get started with the Cloudways. In other tutorials we showed you how to use the actual Infinite free or the free hosting. Today we're going to be trying out the Cloudways. Now installing the WordPress into Cloudways is a straightforward process because it is a managed cloud hosting platform designed for one-click deployment. You can try this for free for a 3-day trial into Cloudways, but I must recommend you to have an actual. Even the starter plan can work really great for all of us. So the first thing of course I'm going to be doing here is that I must have a Cloudways account. You can start with a free trial as I just told you, and then you will be charged hourly based on the server size and provide your you select once your free trial is over and your account is upgraded. So this is how the actual Cloudways works. Now, next thing to do is to generate your own passcode. And when you have generated your steps here for the verification element, what you need to do, of course, is to submit the details of who's going to be working with you. So, for example, I just added this information. You can add your own LinkedIn profile if you have one. In this case, this is, for example, that I have this element, have the role organization. When you have downloaded your account, what you have now activated your account, what you need to do, of course, is to have redirected into the main server launch screen. If you already have a server, you can use the add application button to go for the step 1, which is select the application. In my case, I choose the one that says WordPress. Now, you have the drop-down menu, choose the latest version of the WordPress. Just a quick tip, if you see a few options like the standard WordPress will WooCommerce or multi-site, you choose the one that fits your project. Like for example, the standard is right for most beginners. Then it might be asking you to enter the name of the application and the server. You can choose to enter a name for your website and your managed server, enter a name for the server itself, or select an actual project. So you select a cloud provider and the server size. You can select, of course, one of the available infrastructures as a service, for example, the ALLI provider. And you have here, for example, the installation process of the WordPress into Windows and the one, of course, directly into the download page. So after you have done this actual installation, you can select the actual server size. And basically what you need to do, of course, is to choose the location. You can choose a server location that is geographically closest to your target audience for the best loading speed. This is going to be really important to take that in mind when you generate that directly here into WordPress. Then, of course, you have access to the WordPress website. Once the deployment is completed, you will see a notification, which is the applications. Tap into the top menu bar and select the WordPress applications of you just launched. The reason why you are not watching this process, I'm just telling you this, is because our account needs to have up to 3 to 5 business days to have, let's say, activated our account. But meanwhile, I can show you this process directly with the blogged element of the official Cloudways blog. So, when you have generated that element, of course, what you can do now is to generate your database name, your username, passcode, the host, and the table prefix. You should be able to get this info from your web host if the local host doesn't work. Right, so you run the installation, you have the install of the application work, you choose your site, username, passcode, email, the search engine, best ability, and your account should be generated in no time. And just like that, you might be having now access directly from your WordPress site, and you are now going to be inside directly into WordPress, but this time using the Cloudways. In this case, your account of the Cloudways. So you can add your domain in the future, for example, into application manager. You can navigate to the domain manager. You can go into the primary domain, select your sites. You can save the changes, install a free SSL certificate, and you're actually good to go. So with this tutorial, guys, we can also fill this element in a very easy way. I'm going to be leaving you down below in the description this specific blog of how you can make the installation into your Mac or into your Windows. So this process really easily directly with your Cloudways. So hopefully it was a very useful information for you guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Want to see more great tools how we can get started. Thank you so much for watching that video, and hopefully we can see you guys next time.